Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve International Mathematics Olympiad Sample Paper 2025-26 for class 7. Total questions will be 50 and time allotted will be 1 hour. Pattern and marking scheme and syllabus is given. You can pause the video and review it. Logical reasoning. Question 1. In a certain code language, if elections is written as COCFTG then how will candidate be written in the same code language? First letter of elections is E. E is written as C. Before E, D comes and before D, C comes. Means we are skipping one letter backwards. So similarly, first letter of candidate is C. Before C, B comes and before B, A comes. That means A will be the first letter. A being the first letter is given in option C only. So option C will be the correct answer. Question 2. Which of the following options satisfies the same conditions of placement of dots as in the given figure? The first dot is in between circle and square. In option A, it is possible. In option B, it is not possible because the dot will come in the triangle as well. In option C also it is possible, and in option D also it is possible. Next, the dot is in between square and triangle. In option A, it is not possible because the square and triangle are not meeting each other together. In option C, yes, it is possible, and in option D also it is possible. The third dot is alone in the triangle only, which is possible only in option C. In option D, it is not possible because the whole triangle is coming in the square. So option D will also not be the answer. Correct answer is option C. The figure in option C satisfies the same conditions of placement of dots as in the given figure. Question 3. Which of the following options will complete the given figure matrix? In the first column, first the rectangle is shaded, then in the second figure the semicircle is shaded and the image is flipped vertically downwards, and in the third figure it is completely shaded. Then in the second column the small part is first shaded, then the bigger part is shaded and the image is flipped, and in the third figure the whole figure is shaded. So in the third column, first there is a semicircle and below it is a triangle which is shaded. That means in the second figure we will have a shaded semicircle and this will be flipped downwards. That means the image will be something like this. Semicircle, shaded and triangle. This is given in option C. So option C will be the correct answer. Question 4. The value of the given problem is, the question is 3 raised to the power 4 upon 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 upon 9 into 4 raised to power 2 upon minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 1 by minus 2 raised to the power 3. 3 raised to power 4 means multiply 3 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81 upon 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 by 9 into 4 is 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 whole square upon minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Cube of minus 1 will be minus 1 and cube of 3 will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 divided by 1 raised to the power 3 is 1 upon minus 2 raised to the power 3 is minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. 81 upon 8 plus square of 4 is 16 upon square of 9 is 81 upon minus 1 upon 27 divided by 1 upon minus 8 can be written as minus 1 upon 27 into minus 8 upon 1. Whenever we divide two fractions, we reciprocal the other one. 81 upon 8 plus 16 upon 81 upon minus 1 into minus 8 will become positive 8 upon 20. 16 upon 81 is being divided by 8 upon 27. We can also write this as 16 upon 81 multiplied by 27 upon 8. We reciprocalized it and we'll add 81 upon 8. We can do the cuttings. 27 ones are 27, 27 threes are 81. So it will be 81 upon 8 plus 16 upon 8 threes are 24. We can add it. LCM of 8 and 24 is 24. 81 upon 8 into 3 upon 3. It is 243 upon 24 plus 16 upon 24, which is equal to 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 1 5, 2. 259 upon 24, which is given in option B. So option B will be the correct answer. Question 5. Compare and fill the box using greater than, less than or equal to sign. Let us copy the question. 1507 plus 1719 minus 2305 dash 806 minus 967 plus 1103. Let us solve this now. First we'll solve the LHS part and then we will solve the RHS part, right hand side and left hand side. As per BODMAS rule, we first add and then subtract. Now let us start solving. 1507 plus 1719. 9 plus 7 16, carry forward 1. 1 plus 1 2. 5 plus 7 12, 2 carry 1. 1 plus 2 1 3. The sum is 3226. Now 3226 minus 2305. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 12 minus 3 equals 9. And this will be 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. The LHS is 921. Now we'll solve the RHS. First we will add 806 and 1103. 6 plus 3 9, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 1 9, 1. Now we will subtract 967. 9 minus 7, 2. 0 minus 6 is not possible, so 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 9 is not possible, so 18 minus 9 equals 9 and this will become 0. So RHS is 942. 921 box 942. 921 is less than 942. So correct answer will be option B. Question 6. Find the area of the given figure not drawn to scale. The given figure is not a regular polygon. So if I draw a line like this, then I have two shapes. One is a triangle and other is a rectangle. The question is asking area of the given figure. We know the formula of area of triangle and we know the formula of area of rectangle. So we will find the area of these two different shapes and add them together. First we'll find the area of triangle. The dimensions are 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Now for the base of the triangle, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. So the base of the triangle is 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 centimeter. As for the height of the triangle, this much is 2 centimeter. The rest of it is the height of triangle, which is 8 centimeter, 10 minus 2. That means height is 8 centimeter. Now to find the area of triangle, we'll use the formula half into base into height. Base is 12 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. 12 fours are 48. That means the area of triangle is 48 centimeter square. Now the rectangle. Length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 8 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. 8 times 2 is 16. So the area of rectangle is 16 centimeter square. Area of the given figure means area of triangle plus area of rectangle. Area of triangle is 48 plus area of rectangle is 16. The answer is 64 centimeter square, which is not given in the option. That means the correct answer will be option D, none of these. The area is 64 centimeter square. Everyday mathematics. Question 7. Raghav had 147 old stamps. He lost 3 upon 7 of the stamps and gave 2 upon 7 of stamps to his brother. How many stamps are left with him now? Total number of stamps Raghav had is 147. He lost 3 upon 7 of the stamps means lost stamps is 3 upon 7 of the stamps. That means 3 upon 7 into 147. We can reduce it to its lowest form. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7. 3 into 21, that is 63. He lost 63 stamps and gave 2 upon 7 of stamps to his brother. To brother, he gave 2 upon 7 of the 147 stamps he had. 21 to the 42. He gave 42 stamps to his brother. How many stamps are left with him now? He had 147 stamps, out of which he lost 63 stamps. So he is left with 7 minus 3, 4, 14 minus 6, 8. He is left with 84 stamps, and from 84 stamps he gave 42 stamps to his brother. That means he is left with 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 4, 4. He is left with 42 stamps. So correct answer will be option A. Question 8. Mitansh put rupees 350 in his piggy bank on Monday, took out rupees 175 on Tuesday, put in rupees 210 on Wednesday, and took out rupees 150 on Thursday. If he had rupees 1250 already in the piggy bank, then how much total money he has now in his piggy bank? He already had rupees 1250 in his piggy bank. On Monday, he put rupees 350. So we are going to add. He put 350 rupees. On Tuesday, he took out rupees 175. That means we'll subtract 175 from 1600. That means he now has rupees 1425. On Wednesday, he put in rupees 210. So we will add. Then on Thursday, he took out rupees 150. So we will subtract. Now he has rupees 1485, which is given in option C. So option C will be the correct answer. Achievers section, question 9. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. First, the value of the expression 7x cube plus 9x square y plus 5xy minus 6y cube when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 is dash. Now we'll plug in the values of x and y. 7 bracket 2 raised to power 3 plus 9 bracket 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 plus 5 bracket 2 bracket minus 1 minus 6 bracket minus 1 whole cube. 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 to the 4. And then minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Now we'll solve. 7 8s are 56 plus 9 4s are 36 bracket minus 1 plus 5 2s are 10 bracket minus 1 minus 6 bracket minus 1. 56, 36 into minus 1 is minus 36, 10 into minus 1 is minus 10 and minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. 56 plus 6 minus 36 minus 10. 56 plus 6 is 62. Minus 36 minus 10 is minus 46. 62 minus 46. It is equal to 16. Means P is 16. It is given only in option C and D. Now second statement. If A is equal to 0, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 3, then the value of 3 upon 5 A plus B, 4 upon 3 B plus C is dash. Let's plug in the values. 3 upon 5, 0 plus 2, 4 upon 3, 2 plus minus 3. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So 2 and 4 2s are 8. 8 upon 3 minus 3. 2 bracket 8 minus 9 upon 3. 2 bracket minus 1 upon 3 which is minus 2 upon 3. That means option D is the correct answer. The third statement says if x is equal to 4p plus 2q and y equals 7q minus 2p, then the value of x plus y at p is equal to minus 2 and q is equal to 1 is. Let's plug in the values. X is 4p plus 2q. 4p minus 2 plus 2, 1. 4 into negative 2 is negative 8 plus 2, negative 6. Y is 7q minus 2p. 7 bracket 1 minus 2 bracket minus 2. 7 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. X is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to 11. X plus y is equal to minus 6 plus 11 which is 5, which is in option D. Question 10. Which of the following is incorrect? A. A circle and a rectangle have the same perimeter. Means 2 pi r is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth. If the sides of the rectangle are 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, then the area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. Cancel out 2. 22 by 7 into radius is equal to length plus breadth, 14 plus 8. Radius is equal to 14 plus 8 is 22. And 22 upon 7 will go to the RHS and will become 7 upon 22. 22 cancel, that means radius is 7 centimeter. The question says area of circle is equal to 154 centimeter square. Area of circle is pi r square 22 upon 7 into 7 का square is 49. 7 1 the 7, 7 7 the 49, which is equal to 22 into 7, which is equal to 154 centimeter square. Yes, option A has the correct statement. B. If the height of a triangle is increased by 10% and the base of the triangle is increased by 20%, then its new area will be increased by 32%. Let the actual height be h and actual base be b. Height is increased by 10%. So, new height will be h plus 10% of, which means h plus 10 upon 100 into h, which will be equal to h plus 0.1 h, which is equal to 1.1 h. This is the new height. Similarly, we'll find the new base also. New base is b plus 20% of the new base. B plus 20 upon 100 into b, which is equal to b plus 0.2b, which is equal to 1.2b. This is the new height and this is the new base. In a normal triangle, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. A is equal to half into base into height. If I plug in the new base and new height, area of triangle is equal to half into 1.1 height into 1.2 base. If I extract the actual formula from this, it will be 1 by 2 into base into height into 1.1 into 1.2. I can write this as A into 1.1 into 1.2. A into 1.1 into 1.2 is 1.32. Break 1.32 into two parts. 1 and other is 32 upon 100. 1 means 100% of the original and 32 upon 100 means 32% more. That means the area will increase by 32% more, which is said in option B. So option B is also correct. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 24 meter and 12 meter. If the length of the altitude on the side 12 meter is 18 meter, this is the altitude and this is given 18 meter, then the length of altitude on the other side will be 6 meter. This is what the question is saying. We know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Let us take the base 12 meter and height as 18 meter. So the area will be 216 meter square. It means if I take another base and another height from this parallelogram, I should get the area same, that is 216 meter square. So if I take 24 meter as the height and this as the base, I'll get area of parallelogram is equal to base 24 meter into height h. Area we found 216. So 216 is equal to 24 into h. H is equal to 216 upon 24, which is equal to 9 meter. We are getting height 9 meter, but the question says height is 6 meter. That means this statement is incorrect. So option C is the correct answer.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in